Welcome to the Fusion Signage Zapier integration demo. We're stoked to announce this latest integration with this automation app. If you've never heard of Zapier, please let me explain. This integration opens the door to hundreds of automations. Let's say if X happens in this platform, then it can do Y for you in Fusion Signage or any other tool that you use within your business. Zapier makes it easier than ever to keep your digital signage updated with the content that you already create and the tools that you already use. No matter what industry you're in, Zapier helps you streamline your content workflow and reduce manual effort so your screens stay fresh and updated without a second thought. As this is a new integration, we're starting with one automation, that being media uploads. So if you upload images or videos into an online storage platform like Google Drive, OneDrive or Dropbox, you can create an automation that will upload files to your Fusion Signage account. You can get into the nitty-gritty of it with folders too, but let's just dive into this demo and we'll show you. First, you need to create a free Zapier account. If you don't have one, pause this video and go to zapier.com and create one now. Secondly, you'll need to sign into your Fusion Signage account and head to Settings. Go to your Access tab and click Generate New Token. Type in a title relevant to you. I'm typing Zapier Test, but you might want to say Zapier Chermside or Zapier whatever location or Google Drive linked folder, for example. You'll find out the best way to use these automations for your workflow, and you can always go back and edit if you need. Since we'll be using this personal access token immediately, the 30-day timeline is more than enough, so just click Generate. Click onto this field and it will automatically highlight the whole link for you. Click Control or Command C, and please save this in your notes or a Word document because you'll need this in a few minutes. Next, you'll need to head to zapier.com and log in if you haven't already. Now we're in, click Create. This is where you're going to build your automations. I'm just going to show you how to automate uploading media, but there are so many possibilities outside of Fusion Signage for your business within Zapier. We have some listed in the email where you found this video, and we'll also have lots of new automations within Fusion Signage coming. So keep an eye out for the growth within this integration because we are not nearly done. So click on Trigger and select the online storage folder you use. We currently support Google Drive, OneDrive and Dropbox. Let us know if you use a different one though, and we can take that on board. For this demo, I'm using Google Drive, so I'm clicking on it here, or you can search for the other options in the search bar. My trigger event will be a new file in folder, and I would probably suggest you do the same for clarity within your business. You can build a few of these automations from folder to folder, and that'll just keep things nice and neat for you. Otherwise, you can just select File if you just use your online storage area as like a file dump. Now, you need to collect your selected account, and a pop-up will allow for this. Click your desired account and select Continue. Select your drive, and this should be pretty straightforward. Select the folder that you want linked to this automation. For me, I am choosing Zapier Test. Subfolders is an option if you want to include media items added to subfolders within this main folder that you've chosen. If this is irrelevant, just click False and ignore the next step. If you want subfolders included, click True. And if there are subfolders within subfolders you want to include, name the number of subfolders in this step here. So if I have one subfolder within the main folder, I would just say 1. But if I have a subfolder within a subfolder, I would say 2. This part means if you delete a file from your storage location, then it will be deleted from Fusion Signage too. So play with the settings if you don't want this to happen. Click Continue. To test your trigger, you'll need something in the folder you created. So upload something first to test it. I've already done this, and if there's just one test in there for now, you should only see that one option. If you have multiple files in the folder you're testing with, just go through your options or just choose any if you're happy for that to be your test file. Click Continue with your selected record. Now, we integrate with Fusion Signage. Search Fusion and it should appear. Choose an event, which right now is only upload media, but this will grow in the near future. Now you need to sign into your Fusion Signage account in this pop-up. This is where you need the personal access token that we saved earlier. So paste it in and click Yes and Continue. These fields are important to follow exactly, so please take note. Click the add symbol. Use either the original file name or the title of the file. Media URL. You need to click the file because that's a reference to the file itself, not any other option in this dropdown, only the file. The folder is referencing a Fusion Signage folder in your Manage section, so we have a Zapier test one ready. You might need to go in and create a specific folder or just use one you're already going to use for this integration anyway. You can search for the folder name here. Click Continue. Now we need to test this step. Click here and wait for the test to run. No errors, so now we click Publish. Now that automation is set, and we can check in our selected Fusion Signage folder if everything's gone to plan. So go to Manage, find your folder, and there it is. Your automation is now set up, and any new file that's added to that external storage folder will automatically be added to Fusion Signage. You can replicate these steps for different folders and locations too. As I've mentioned, there are more automations that you can use outside of Fusion Signage with Zapier. Please read our email and blog for some ideas. And we have so many more automations coming soon, and we'll do more demos for you when they're ready. If you need a written step-by-step, please visit our support center article linked in the video or in our email.